Hello everyone, my name is Steve Emmanuel, and in this tutorial, I want to teach you how to create a three-dimensional cartoon from audio. And what we'll be needing is Google Chrome, and this is the Google Chrome. What we'll be needing is Google Chrome. This is Google Chrome, not Google. We'll be needing this Google Chrome, and the next thing we'll be needing free TTS websites. Yes, we'll be needing free TTS website. Free TTS means free text-to-speech website. Then your script, yes, your script. That is the text. That is the text. The text will be converted to audio, and the audio will be converted to cartoon. So this is the Chrome. This is the Chrome now. So you open your Chrome. After, when you open your Chrome, you search for free TTS. Free TTS. Meaning free text to speech. Text to speech. Free TTS. Go. You search for it. So there will be options of different TTS here. So the one you are going to use is this one. This is the one you are going to use. You are going to use this one. This very well. This OpenAI TTS. This one we'll be using for this. In this tutorial, this one we'll be using. Click on it. It's loading. So this is, it has opened. So this is what it looks like. So the next thing you do is, there's a place here where you can add your scripts. This is the place here. Enter the text you want to convert to speech here. Let me see. I think I have something I want to copy here. Select text. Let me copy this one. Copy. I'll paste it here. So this is my own text, and this is what it reads. Take this tutorial seriously because they hold the potential to change your financial life. By learning and applying the lessons consistently, you can develop valuable skills that generate income with dedication and persistence. It's possible to grow your earnings to 6 figures monthly. Every step you take brings you closer to achieving financial independence and lasting success. So I've pasted mine now. So the next thing I will do now is, I will come to this place and choose voice. There's this place called, it's by default it is on Alloy high quality. This place, this is the person now. This place, I'm going to click on this person. So different voices have come out. This is Alloy voice, this is Echo, this is Fable, this is Onyx, this is Nova, and this Alloy is a young male. The Echo is the voice of a young male. The Fable is energetic, expressive, and engaging young male. This one is Echo, is warm, friendly, and engaging. So there are different voices here. Look at this one. This one is the voice of female, a young, energetic, and engaging female. This is Nova. So you can play the sample to hear what the voices look like. This Alloy, let's play it and hear what it looks like.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has been observed by humans for thousands of years.
Okay, that is Alloy. Let me play another one.
In the heart of the city, there is a large park where people go to relax and enjoy nature. The park has a beautiful pond with ducks and swans.
That is Echo. Let me listen to Fable.
The library is a quiet and peaceful place where people go to read, study, and learn. The shelves are filled with books on every subject imaginable.
And this is Nova. The Nova is the voice of energetic female. Let me play it and let's hear.
In the kitchen, the aroma of freshly baked bread filled the air. The loaves were golden brown and crusty on the outside and soft and warm on the inside.
And this is another voice. This is Shima. Lively, vibrant, and dynamic. This is female.
The beach was a popular spot on a hot summer day. People were swimming in the ocean, building sandcastles, and playing beach volleyball.
And this is Ash. Enthusiastic, energetic, and lively. This Ash is for a young male. Let me play the sample.
Hey, I'm Ash. Always around to back you up whenever you need me.
This enthusiastic, energetic, and lively. Why this is Cora, a cheerful, friendly, and community-oriented young female. Let me play the sample.
Coral checking in. Here to listen and keep things on an even keel.
And this is Sage. The voice of Sage is a young female. Let's play the sample.
Hi, I'm Sage. Here to bring a gentle presence whenever you need a moment of peace.
So, the voice, you can choose any voice you want to use. You can choose any voice. For the sake of this tutorial, let me choose, since it's talking about knowledge here, let me choose this Sage. I'll just feel like choosing this Sage, the voice of this Sage. So let me use this Sage voice of this young female. So I'm going to choose Sage. So after choosing Sage now, the next thing I'm going to do is I will come to this place. I clicked on Sage already. This very place here. I'll click this green sign, green icon. I'll click on it. So the audio is generating. So this is success. It has successfully generated. So let me cancel it and let's play and listen. The next thing we'll do is we'll play and listen to it.
Take these tutorials seriously because they hold the potential to change your financial life. By learning and applying the lessons consistently, you can develop valuable skills that generate income. With dedication and persistence, it's possible to grow your earnings to 6 figures monthly. Every step you take brings you closer to achieving financial independence and lasting success.
So this is the voice of Sage. You can change it. You can still go back to change it if you want. But let's use this voice of Sage. So now we'll download it. Let's download it. This is the place for download, because this is the voice that we'll use to create our cartoon. It's a female voice. I've downloaded it. So let's open it to see how it is saved. Open. So the title of this is it. It is saved as Take This Tutorial Seriously, MP3. This is how it is saved, as MP3. So the next thing we will do now, is we'll use Adobe Animate from Audio. That is the website we'll use now. Adobe Animate from Audio. Go. Oh, there's something I need to let's go back. Let's go back to the previous TTS OpenAI site. This place that we just worked now, that we just created audio now, whenever you want to save it, you'll be asked to log in. You'll be asked to log in into the site before you can download the audio you've created. And if you want to log in through your Google. Log in with your Google account if you want to log in. That is how to log in or sign in. You have to sign in before you can download it. Normally you can create anything you want to create before signing in. Yes, if what you are creating is less than 500 words, you can create it just like we just created it before signing in. But before downloading, you'll be asked to sign in. Just in case, like me, I'm already signed in. That's why I didn't sign in again. And signing in is very easy. You just use your Google account to sign in. So let's go back. Let's go now to Adobe Animate Audio. This is Adobe Animate Audio. So they will always give you a lot of options. Yes, they will give you a lot. They will always give you a lot of options. But this is the one you will choose. This animate your audio for free. So see, it is free. So that audio that we just created now, we're going to animate it. So you click on it. So animate your voice for free. So you can use the audio we just created now, or you can use your own personal voice by just talking over while doing your animation. But if for this, in this tutorial, we'll be using the audio we just created. So they are giving us two options here. There's app and there is web version. So what you will do is we'll be using the web version. You click on continue. So we are continuing with the web version. It's opening. It's opening. Oh, it has come back. Let me go back to continue. Make an animate character with your own voice. So this is what we use this Adobe Animate from Audio for. So this is what they've given us by default, this image. But the voice we used is a feminine voice. And so there's character, there's background, there's size. We already have our voice. So you can talk over by recording your own voice, or you browse to select from the voice that we just from that audio that we just created. You can choose that audio. So look at the characters now. We need a female character for this. We need a female character. So there are many characters here to use. There are many characters. So just look for a character that fits the animation that you want to do. So I'm looking at the characters that fit the animation that I want to do. So let me use this character. I think I like this one. So I'll choose this character. Good. This is the character I want to use. And let me add that our voice, the voice that we recorded. It seems, let me, yeah, I'm trying to make this character stand. Good. So the background, there are different backgrounds here. You can change background. The background of what you want. So these are the different types of background, but I think I like that background, but you can still change it. Let's try this background. No, she's standing now. So let me give her a background. Should I use this one? Yes, let me use this background. Then let's browse to bring that's our audio. Let's browse. So the audio was saved in your files. So this is the audio here. Take this tutorial seriously. This is the audio. I've clicked on it. What happened? Let me do it again. Browse. This is the audio here. I've clicked on it. Yes. Okay, it is uploading. It is uploading. So it is creating our animation now. So this is the background we've chosen. This is the lady, and we are operating, or it's uploading that audio that we created. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. So it is creating our cartoon now. That is what is going on. It is creating our cartoon. So when it is done, look, it's uploading your media. When everything has been completed, then you can download it. But before you download, if you've not signed in, you need to sign in. I'm already signed in, and you want to sign in, you sign in with your Google account. I believe every one of us know how to sign in. Just go to sign in or sign up, click on it, then choose Google and sign in. So when the animation, the cartoon is ready, we're going to download it. So finally, it's ready. So the next thing we're going to do is let's play it to preview. Let's play.
Take these tutorials seriously because they hold the potential to change your financial life. By learning and applying the lessons consistently, you can develop valuable skills that generate income. With dedication and persistence, it's possible to grow your earnings to 6 figures monthly. Every step you take brings you closer to achieving financial independence and lasting
Success.
Take these tutorials seriously because they hold the potential
And lasting success.
lasting success.
Okay, it's complete now. That's what I want to hear. So the next thing we're going to do now is to download it. Oh, you see, download is complete. The download is complete. Let's look at the details of the download. So this is it. So we are done. So this is how to create a 3-dimensional cartoon from audio. So we've come to the end of this tutorial.
Take these tutorials seriously because they hold the potential to change your financial life. By learning and applying the lessons consistently, you can develop valuable skills that generate income. With dedication and persistence, it's possible to grow your earnings to 6 figures monthly. Every step you take brings you closer to achieving financial independence and lasting success.